It's crazy, man. It's really crazy.
12 o'clock, is it too late for you tonight?
Level of the snow, like it's this deep. People are advised to stay indoors because of the storm. So I'm outside because I just closed from work and I'm going home. This is how deep the snow is. It's really windy and cold at the same time, obviously. So yeah, welcome to Sivaria, I guess. And I'm feeling cold already on my foot. On my feet. Is it? They said the same thing will happen tomorrow. It will still be this windy and it might even be worse tomorrow. The storm might be worse tomorrow. So I guess I'm happy or I'm lucky that I'm free tomorrow, so I won't be going out. But this is it. Sivaria. And I heard there are so many accidents at the express road because the road is not good at all. You can't even see anyone driving. It's really, I don't know. Thank God I didn't drive. I almost drove, but something told me, Grace, park that damn car. Park that car and walk. And thank God I listened because thank God I listened. So yeah.
In December, we give our gifts, wishing well to our world, peace on earth to everyone. A time to be joyful when all is calm and all is bright. But why does it change with the seasons, and why can't we just hold on?
Hey guys, good morning. It's currently 9:40 and it's day 2 of the snowstorm in northern Sweden. So I'll be going out now and I guess it's about that time of the year. So I'll be showing you guys around. That's my younger video. So just tag along with me. So this is it. So this is how it is. Although it was worse yesterday, but it's a little bit better, but it's still stormy. Is that even correct? It's still storm. If you hear that weird noise, it's from my pants. It's for winter, so that's why it's sounding that way. Oh my god, this boy, he thinks he's still a baby. And he's playing with snow this way. Like, dude, do a fun gamal or the school.
Det snö, alla är inte snö. Det är inte barnaktigt, det är alla.
Oh yeah. I guess he's having fun. Okay. Okay, this is how the cars are like. That's our car. We need to do some cleaning up. Just like it's crazy, man. It's really crazy. We are never ready for anything.
wishing well to our world, peace on earth to everyone. A time to be joyful when all is calm and all is bright. But why does it change with the seasons, and why can't we just hold on to silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to There are times I can remember with family and friends, the light of Christmas radiates, lights up my memories, the magic of love. We made time, but why does it change with the seasons, and why can't we just hold on? Singing goodwill to all, to all. Oh, come let us
Hi guys, we're in Sweden.
Oh, come
Turkey.
let us adore Him. Oh, come let us adore Him. Oh, night divine, and those silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to all. And those silent nights, holy nights, and angels singing lullabies, and heaven and nature singing goodwill to all, to
It's so deep. Okay, this was better.
to
But that was you. This one, that.
Morning guys, so today is day 3. It's currently 7 a.m. and this is the 13th of January, and I'll be showing you guys the aftermath of the snowstorm in northern Sweden. Well, in my area, not like the whole northern Sweden, but where I live. So tag along with me guys. By the way, I'm on my way to work, that's why you see I'm all, you know, tired. My face is acne as well, so just hang around with me guys, just hang. I'm currently wearing this pants. That's what has been sounding. I don't know the name in English, but in Swedish we call it täckbyxor. People often use it during the winter, but I don't like it because I kind of feel old. This is it. Snow has turned my city to white city. So, like everywhere, there's a mountain of snow. Literally everywhere. If you everywhere, even there, here as well. Literally everywhere there's a mountain of snow. Oh, those trees are pretty. Everything went from green to black within 2 days. So you see, everywhere. And it still snowed yesterday night. Everything is white. But the advantage is that it made everywhere kind of bright. That's the good thing. Because before night it was really dark. Even the street lights couldn't help. But with the snow, everywhere became very bright. Look at how thick it is. Oh, it's frozen kind of now. It's not as soft as it was yesterday. It's frozen. It's like stone. No, or rather ice. But I think those ones inside are soft. It's -7 by the way, guys, so it's not weird. Although I'm late for work, but I still have to update you guys. This is it. And it's also windy, really windy. I believe you guys can hear how windy it is. I kind of like how beautiful the whole thing turned out. This is snowing. I'm not a fan of snow. I don't like when it's cold, but this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. This is beautiful. I like my sun every day, every minute, every hour, every second. But when you see the goodness of God, you appreciate it better than couldn't finish. So he left the shovel there. This thing is not easy. This is it. So that's my channel. Share my videos, comment, like, and thanks for the support. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it and it helps a lot. Do have a nice day. Bye.
Riding bikes along the beach, squeaking sand beneath our feet. Water is so clear and blue, all my dreams are coming true. Days are hard and nights are long. I like singing you this song. Skinny dipping with the moon. Life's more fun when I'm with you. These days, under the sun together. These days, let's make them last forever. These days, let's hope they last forever. beside the seashells on the sand. I like walking hand in hand, climb the lighthouse for the view. I like going there with you. These days, under the sun together. These days, let's make them last forever. These days.